Hi, this week I will play around with some pose balls and set up a activity tracker on the islands. Until this week I never really thought about sitting on objects, how it happened, but after reading through the information this week and watching the videos, I came into the starting area and clicked on the items. Whoops. And I can see the little pose balls in them, so that was really cool. I also checked out the piano to see where it was, and it's right there in the bench, so that was pretty cool to find out. I also, in my inventory, have some boxes, a box that has pose balls in it. That I got from one of either the general store or mercantile. There's a bunch of boxes in the storeroom, and what I can do is just open it. And once it loads the contents, it shows all the different types of pose balls that are actually in this box. So if you guys want these pose balls, just come and take a copy of this box back to your island and open it up. Get feet wet. Get feet wet. That's pretty cool. There's the eat sushi one I saw in one of the videos, a high dive. Oh, Amy might like these, the Japanese sits. Lay on the dock. Lean on the rail. That'll be good for the cattle yard. Pick up food. Play cards. That'd be good for the saloon. Oh, here's play piano. Should put that one by the piano. Oh, there's some pretty cool. Singing. Uh-oh. Oh, it's pretty cool. Tie your shoe. So there's a lot. There's two different boxes. There's another one, a couple's pose balls, also if anybody is interested. So I'm just going to move this over to the piano and see what it'll do to the piano when I sit on it. Oh, it just looks like I've got my hands on it. Oh. So if that was positioned better, that would look better. So if I actually sat facing it. Nope, it's gonna leave it turned, so I'd have to turn it, I guess. There we go. There we go. Now you can see my hands moving too, so it looks like I'm actually playing the piano. That's a pretty cool pose ball. So what I'll do, I'll just figure out what I'm doing here. I'll just put both of these boxes in this room for a little while to give you guys a chance to get it if you want it. I'll put that one, and the other one was the couples one. There we go. That way they're easy to find. Okay, now I think this is a good area because this is where everybody, if you key in Universal Islands, this is where everybody's gonna come to. I think this is a good spot to set up the activity tracker for as well. For the activity tracker, I'm just going to use the little dog here. So I'll click on him, click edit. Then I'll click on content, new script. Actually, I might not want to use him because it looks like the dog already has a script added to it. So I think I will just create something. I'll create a little... Whoop. Let's put just this down. Alright. Try that one. New scripts. There we go. Okay, so he has the same thing. Yeah, it's all on there. Okay. So I can get rid of that and try the dog again. I'm just going to copy and paste from our op doc from class. And then okay, I will get all this pasted in and come back. Okay, I've got the entire script pasted onto here with my location, of course, and with Universal Islands, and with my email in it. So this should all work. What I'll do is I'll hit save now. And now that script should be, I wonder if you can rename it. Yes. So I'm going to put change it to tracker. Okay, I'm going to just double check, make sure it's still there. Yep. Open it. And there it is. Okay, now anytime somebody comes and visits the island, I should get an email and see where they go, what they try to do. And that was it for this week. Thanks for watching.